Hey everybody, Deb here with Bougie Design Shop. Today I'm going to show you all a little tricks to like cleaning the dampers on your, if you got a DTF printer. This is something that not everybody knows about. I just come across it the other day on YouTube. So I'm going to show you all how to check your dampers to see if they've got a buildup and stuff on it. So you take out your white damper. This comes off, and this may have clogs up underneath it. Be very careful though that you don't hold it like on the sides. You hold it on this side right here, and you get a little thing, and you go in here and you raise that up. And so far I'm lucky, I don't have anything right there. Usually this gets like a buildup on it, but I'm lucky with this one, I don't have it. I use really high quality white ink now, and I think this was really helped me with mine. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and clean it anyway. Let me get a Q-tip. Because the video I watched the other day, hers was really bad. So I said, okay, well, let me go check mine and see what it looks like. I get these pointed these pointed Q-tips from Amazon. I love them. You don't really have to put any cleaner on it or anything. Just kind of clean really good around in there. And see, I do have a little bit, not a lot, nothing to worry about. You just go in there and you clean all around, clean down in the hole. You can run it through there, and you just push it back down and lock it back down. Clean outside really good. Alright, that one was okay. Let's see, that one in there. And I'm going to take my next one out. And I'm going to clean this. Seems like mine's leaking a little bit too much down in there. It shouldn't be that much, so I may have to replace my dampers again. Usually if you got a lot of leakage, that sometimes means that your dampers are not sealing right like they're supposed to down on the nozzle. I got to do a maintenance clean on it tomorrow anyway, so I'll check it out. Let's see, I'm going to lift this one up. I'm going to look under it, see what we got going on under there. Okay, looks pretty good. I don't have any buildup on it. I'm still going to clean it out just in case. Get it all real out in there really well. Oh goodness, sounds like our storms are coming back. Then you just snap it back in there, and then you just put your damper back in there, and that's all it is to checking the ends of your dampers. And the only two that you really got to worry about is your white. So I hope this helped anybody if they was kind of like having some messed up prints, the white not really coming out really good. Just check that there and see how yours looks, and if it looks like it needs cleaning, you know, just go ahead and clean it. So thank you all for watching. Bye.